And I know I said I'd fall back.
Hi everybody, I'm Chelsea and I'm so grateful you chose to watch this video today. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I get my afro to look so poppin'. Like, it's really actually very easy. So let me know in the comments what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and definitely don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. So I always put my hair in plaits after I detangle it, so that's the result of this, and my hair has been drying for about a day, so it's already completely dry. And yeah, I started my little one dreadlock journey in the back, so that's what that is. I was surprised because I forgot it was back there. But anyways, I'm gonna take a little bit of grapeseed oil as my heat protectant. I took a loose the first plait, and I'm really not using that much because I don't want it to be too oily, but just enough so that I don't get any heat damage. The blow dryer that I'm using is this Yellobird by Conair. It's $40 on Amazon and it's really good. I have it on the warm heat because, again, my hair is already dry, so I'm not trying to get it dry, I'm just trying to get it into a straighter texture. I always use this technique when I blow dry my hair because I'm not trying to damage my hair, so I always let it air dry completely first before I blow dry it, and that means I can use less heat. I'm gonna take down the next plait and add some more grapeseed oil, and I really focus this mainly on my ends. My ends definitely need a trim right about now, so I've been trying to be really careful with them. And then I'm just gonna blow dry it until it gets into a straighter texture for me to work with before I twist it up. I'm gonna take one section that was one braid and split it into two, and then I'm using this Juices and Berries by Oyin Handmade as a moisturizer, and I just started using this maybe a couple months ago and I love it so much. It's so moisturizing and easy to use. But I just did a single 2-strand twist, and then I'm gonna make a knot at the end of the twist. So the next section, I'm just adding my Juices and Berries, running it through, 2-strand twisting it all the way down to the end, and then at the end I'm gonna twist it around my finger and create a little knot at the end. It seems complicated, but it's really not. Again, I'm splitting each section into halves, adding the Juices and Berries, 2-strand twisting it all the way down to the end, and then I'm gonna create a knot at the end, just a single strand knot. And just to give you a closer look, this is how I do the knot. I'm literally just wrapping around itself and sliding it down to the end to create a single strand knot. One more time, I'm just gonna wrap it around my finger, loop it through, pull it, and slide the knot all the way down to the end. And this just makes sure that my ends aren't straight and they actually have a little bit of texture to them when I pull my afro out. So I had 8 braids total in my head, and I split each of them into 2, so I ended up with 16 total twists. And I'm just finishing up the last section here, splitting it into half, adding my Juices and Berries, 2-strand twisting it all the way down to the end, and again I'm going to knot it at the end so that I have a nice texture once I take out my twists. So I let these stay in for like 30 to 45 minutes covered with a bonnet, and then to take the knots out at the end, I'm just gonna pull it to release the knots. Like, it's not complicated at all. I'm just pulling my twist down and the knot will come out easily. Like, it won't get tangled or anything like that. So then I'm gonna go through and just take apart the twist, just really pulling the 2 strands apart from each other. Like I said, this is a very easy tutorial. Like, anybody could do this. You can even do it heatless if you know how to do like the heatless blowout, maybe like the African wrapping technique. But yeah, I released all of my twists, and then I'm gonna separate it to give myself more volume and height and make my fro look nice and luscious. So the way I do it is I pull it out a little bit and then I separate it from the ends, not from the roots, and that just helps to keep some of the texture from the twist. It's not very defined because it's an afro. It's supposed to be, you know, big and fluffy, but I do like doing the twist so that it has a little bit of texture and it's just not just looking puffy like a real afro. Nothing against that, but yeah, that wasn't what I was going for. And that's pretty much it. I put on my lipstick, which is by Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade You Dig, and I was done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow. I hope it helps you. I hope you rock your afro puff. I hope that you're inspired and that you like this video. Definitely give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what else you guys want to see. I'm feeling very inspired this summer, so yeah, look out for more videos from me, and namaste.